Good afternoon all, or good morning all. We are in bright and sunny Walton-on-Thames, lovely blue skies today, with this BMW X6. We've been called in because it's got DPF issues. Light kept coming on when it was being driven, so we're just doing a DPF clean on it today. We've done a carbon clean on it as well. The diagnostic actually showed no other faults. So we think it might possibly be just the short journeys that are being done that's caused this. It's just presently, I hope you can hear me okay, it's just presently flushing out the first stage of the DPF clean. We've already done the carbon clean. That's more of a preventative measure than a cure. The DPF clean is the cure, and we'll be doing the second and the third stage flush afterwards. This was very heavily clogged up, approximately 400 plus millibar at 2,500 RPM. Should be pretty much no more than 50 millibar. So this chemical's presently burning off all the soot in the DPF, and the pressure's already come down to under 100 before I started this video. So about this process in total takes about 2.5 hours. Costs for a carbon clean and a DPF clean and diagnostics £339.99, but we do a range of services. Carbon cleaning starting from just £89.99. If you need us at all, please give us a call on 01293 769495, or send us a message and we'll be happy to respond. Have a great day.